Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Tuesday morning. For some of us and some of you, it's the first day of the work week. Robin had yesterday off. It was President's Day. I'm off every day. All right. Last night, I prepared Hungarian goulash. Oh, that bad boy simmered for 2 hours. A lot of cutting, a lot of chopping, dicing. Yeah, but it was worth it. Wow. The depth of flavor. I know I say that a lot, but the depth of flavor. And what was unique about it, there wasn't a lot of seasoning, not a lot of spices and herbs in this. It was very basic. Paprika, cumin. I didn't have caraway seeds, so I used a little bit of fennel seed and a little bit of coriander seed. And those were the seeds were optional. So it's beautifully depth. I definitely will be sharing this recipe online. Today is Robin's birthday. She requested the Casual Chef Sloppy Joes. She requested it. She could have had anything in my repertoire. Anything. She chose my Sloppy Joes. Let's get to it. Hardware. Simple. Ground beef. This is a 93.7. A little bit of olive oil, kosher salt, black pepper. I'm using this Anaheim because I have it on hand. I'll be dicing half of that up. Red bell pepper will be diced. Garlic, of course. Heinz tomato ketchup. Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce. A little bit of brown sugar. Smoked paprika. I'll be using the California chili powder. I have several to choose from, but we tend to like the California. There's going to be some cumin and some ground mustard. Very basic, very simple, and this will be served the Tomosic style, the style I grew up with, on bread. Single slice in the middle, basically a bread taco with the Sloppy Joe in the middle. Super simple meal. It's a meal I grew up on. So, I learned a few weeks ago why there was a Shiraka shortage. Longtime partners, the gentleman who developed and created the Shiraka sauce, and a grower, they were partners, basically partners, for decades. Decades. As the sauce grew in popularity, the farmer's farm grew to meet the demand. So these longtime partners had a fight over what the article didn't say. But they had a fight. The farmer refused to provide the peppers needed for the Shiraka sauce. Hence, the scarcity of oh my God, we don't have Shiraka, because the gentleman who developed the sauce years ago, decades ago, didn't have other suppliers. So, obviously, we're starting to see Shiraka back onto our shelves. He obviously, the gentleman who developed it, has found other growers. But what the funny thing is, the gentleman, the farmer, now has his own Shiraka style sauce. What is it called? I don't know. So, is there a message there? I don't know. But maybe don't rely on just one supplier. Yeah. So, it's nasty weather out there. Right now, as I'm filming this, it's not raining. But all of Northern California, Southern California, and so forth, please be safe. There's weather all around us. And have a great day. Eat great food. And as always, have fun cooking. Phenomena. Phenomena.